Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can enable some of the cool stickers on Telegram and how we can use, schedule or customize them. Also, if you want some new sticker set, how we can enable that. So let's get started with this interesting video. From the Telegram main screen, just head over to any kind of chat you want. So for example, you want to send a sticker to your friend, but before that you want to preview that sticker, or also you need to explore some of the sticker options that Telegram has. So it has some amazing collection. You can just click on this left corner right here, and here are all the trending stickers that you can see. And it's not a single sticker, it's a complete set here. So for example, I like this one right here. So it has Feisty Fox all stickers. If you want to add them, you can just click on this add button right here and it will show all the cool stickers that we have for that. So for example, if I want to play this sticker before sending that in the large screen, just hold that sticker and you will be able to see this sticker right here. So if you want to send it without a sound, send stickers, schedule that, you can set that however you want. So let's say I just want to cancel that and I don't want to send it right now. Just head over to backwards and there you go. You can test that without sending. But if I just want to send that, you can just single click here and it will immediately send you the sticker. So that's it guys. This is how you can enable some of the stickers. Now what if I want to disable the stickers? So if I want to get rid of all of these stickers that I have added, just click on the settings right at the bottom on the right hand side. You will see this gear kind of icon. Just click here and you will see my sticker set is selected. So for example, I like only the fox one and not the hot cherry and chilled cat. Just click on this three dots on the corner. You can remove that from the sticker set. And now we only have the sticker set of this one. So this way you have the huge collection of amazing stickers in Telegram. This is quite interesting to explore. Just try this by yourself. And also guys, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on Telegram, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.